Hey, this is Destiny at Donley Ford in Mount Vernon. I am your customer service representative, you say. So personally, if you're using CarGurus, Edmunds Trade-In, they go to me. So typically I start out with a phone call or an email or even a text, whichever is convenient for the person that I'm texting. So let's go ahead and show you what we do in a day.
Welcome to Donley Ford here in Mount Vernon. Sounds like you talked to Destiny and you want a four-wheel drive SUV with a moonroof, heated seats, and plenty of room for the dog in the back. So we've pulled up this 2019 Honda CR-V.
Destiny can answer any questions you would like to ask before speaking with a salesperson.